Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, back with part two of the Miracle Tonic Magnesium Citrate. I feel like I left out a couple of key factors or important facts I wanted to put in the other videos. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now let's get straight into it. Magnesium is also used for muscle relaxation. Now, for people who are in the weightlifting, any athletes out there, you know how you deal with muscle pain. You know that your muscles have to break down and rebuild, and you look for alternate forms to soothe that and to, heal your muscles basically on a breakdown. And magnesium is the most potent muscle relaxer out there. I just want to bring up again that over 80% of people in the world are magnesium deficient. We aren't getting enough magnesium. Like, adults in the US and in Europe and all over the world are not getting enough magnesium. So when we take more of this, you will see a difference. Now, something I also wanted to mention, for women, if you have abdominal cramp pain during that time of the month, this is what you need, other than taking pills. Or, I do a lot of things when my woman, she's on her time of the month. I do things to help her feel better during that time of the month. But we started using this, and it's helping her a lot during that time. She don't feel as much pain, and it really works. Also, people who suffer from migraines, headaches, any internal pain, when you feel internal aches and like stuff where it hurt to move and you don't want to do stuff because your body hurt or your stomach might hurt or your side might hurt and you don't know what it really is, these pains, you need magnesium. Magnesium allows so many different functions in your body to work, and you need to understand that we haven't been getting magnesium, like, unless you eat pumpkin seeds a lot or you eat spinach a lot. And, as far as meat, you got to be eating a lot of salmon, like heavy salmon, to get your magnesium up. So it's not really too many forms when you think about what's being promoted and fed to us at restaurants, and depending on your environment, your local neighborhoods, what's around in the stores and everything. Magnesium is not a lot of magnesium rich foods. So I just want to let y'all know this is a secret, man. Like, they not going to say, oh, you know what I'm saying, magnesium, the secret tonic. No, they're going to tell you it's a laxative, and it does work well as a laxative. Definitely if you've been eating messed up food, you will have to use the bathroom off of this, but as soon as you take it, it's like that Sprite. It's like Sprite that you never had before. Like, you feel electricity in your mouth and like electrolytes, and it's just, I would recommend getting this. Non-pasteurized, no dye, the lemon flavor, got a little bit of alcohol content, but it's all to activate the magnesium in your body. Like I said before, this is the highest absorption rate. Check this out, for real. I'm gonna leave a link in my description. But how I do it is I just take a shot here and there, and it gives you energy, man. I can't explain it. Give you a certain amount of energy, make you want to do stuff. So I'm recommending this to all of y'all. Magnesium citrate is also good for pain, on top of it being a cure for cancer, cure for diabetes, anxiety, high blood pressure, so many different things. Like I said, like my dad, he had back pains. Going to the chiropractor, they told him it was gas. You know what I'm saying? They said it was gas, but turns out it's a magnesium deficiency. You feeling abdominal pains and all of that because you're not able, your body doesn't have the energy to break down all of the stuff you constantly putting on it. So magnesium is that energy. It's that energy cell that gives your body all of the necessary ingredients to function and to work at the highest peak a human can work at. You need magnesium. You need 400 milligrams of this a day. One bottle is 300. You need 1.5 of these a day. 1.25, damn near a third. But yeah, this is my video part 2. I just wanted to throw that in there. Y'all can go check out the first video. I'm gonna leave a link to that. Everything linked up. It's your boy Yon World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.